Now your mother and I have decided that we're going our separate ways. 'Cause it's your fault, Scooba-Doo-Bop-Bop-Bop.
Wish I had a dad for Christmas. He told me he was going to the store. I don't think he did.
Santa ain't real, so grow the hell up. Santa ain't real, so grow the hell up. I said Santa ain't real, so grow the hell up. Santa ain't real, grow up. Again!
Check out my royalty-free Christmas song. It sounds like Christmas music you've heard before, but it totally doesn't. Check it out!
Hey pretty girl, welcome to my home. Oh look at that, it's mistletoe. You have to kiss me, that's the rule. Haven't brushed my teeth since 2011.
It's Christmas songs for Christmas spirits, yum yum.
They caught me Frenching my cousin under the mistletoe. Not again. Oh, what a shame that we got caught.
Ever heard of the candy cane song? Of course not, it doesn't exist, but now it does, kinda.
Candy canes, lick 'em in a spear and kill your enemies. Stab, 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 stab.
Santa.
No witnesses?
Oh, Christmas weave, how lovely is these beach waves.
And the world's gonna know your name. What's your name, man?
Alex and I love Christmas. My name is Alex and I love Christmas. And there's a million gifts I haven't wrapped. Just give me time, please give me time. When he was 10, found out Santa wasn't real. He couldn't deal.
Christmas is only beginning.
I don't want a lot for
I love my khakis, but they're getting just a bit too old. Bird watching takes its toll, and their crease just doesn't hold. Beige light tan or sandy brown, relaxed or business pleat. A fresh new pair of khakis would be so very neat. For Christmas I would like new khaki pants for leisure, bird watching, and ballroom dance. I hope Gail knows I'd like some new khakis. Or Santa, if you're there, pretty please.
Who am I kidding? Gail hasn't got me a gift in 25 years.
Christmas I got you new khaki pants for leisure, bird watching, and ballroom dance. Yeah, that was such a nice thing to do.
Alright, okay. Merry Christmas to you.
Hey, gang! It's not the turkey and the stuffing, or the gifts around the tree.
It's a warm and fuzzy feeling that begins with you and me.
So put away those petty problems and embrace your fellow man. And join the celebration all across this wonderful land. Have a ringling, jingling, kringling Christmas. Ring-a-ling, hop along, sing along, happy holiday. And when the snow starts drifting, we'll hoist a hearty cheer for the rootinest, tootinest, highfalutinest,